Hey there, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install and use the split full name add-on. Now this is most commonly used for a two-step order form where you've got a full name field inserted at the top. In fact, if we go back here and look at our two-step order form, you can see that we've got a full name field up here at the very top. And some payment gateways require that you have a first name and a last name and not a full name. So Recurly, for example, actually requires that you use first name and last name. And sometimes you may have an external service, Infusionsoft or something like that, where you want to actually push through the first name and the last name, not just a full name field. So you can use this add-on to actually split that full name field into a first name and a last name so that it works properly. And again, so we're on that page there. Now for the install, it's super easy. We just want to go down to add-on details, and this one is another one that doesn't require any configuration. So all you have to do is actually give it a unique name. You can actually use this on a bunch of different funnels. You only need one instance of this inside of CF Pro Tools because they all do the exact same thing. There's no configuration. So we're just going to call it split full name. We're going to click create add-on. And then we're going to scroll down to the grab the code section and click copy code. And then we're going to bounce over and we're going to go into our editor for this page. We're going to edit this one. And I think, in fact, we have it open already here. So let's go ahead and use that. We're going to go ahead and go to settings. We're going to go to tracking code. And then we're going to go to footer code. And you can see we've already got some add-ons installed here. We're going to just make some room down at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and click paste. And we paste that in. Now we've got our split full name add-on installed. We're going to close that. And we're going to go ahead and click save. And we're good to go. Now if we click preview, now we can go in and take a look at this. And once the page loads, then we'll see that we now have a first name and a last name field instead of just a full name field. So now we'll work properly with those payment gateways that require a first name and a last name, not just a full name that gets sent across. So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully you put it to good use.